my grandma's house. So this experiment is how to make a booby trap. And let me introduce you to my new assistant, Miss Radha Doshi. Come on.
Yay!
For this experiment, you need a paper plate or styrofoam plate, and you need some rubber bands, and then make a hole in the paper plate. And you need some scissors and a pen, and you need a solo cup, 2 solo cups. You can mark an X and make a small tiny hole in the plate. So you have to cut the rubber band to the 2 rubber bands, and then make them very long and attach them together. Look, now it's a really long rubber band. Insert it in the hole through the plate. Now let's have some fun. So let's make a hole in 1 solo cup and attach and put the string inside the hole. In the other solo cup, put water inside. If you have assistant, you can use the assistant. Miss Radha, can you please help me and fill it with some evil water? Ha 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 ha! Yeah. So now we are going to put this glass of water in the solo cup that's empty, and then we're gonna finish the booby trap. Ha ha ha! I'm gonna give this to my grandpa, and then he's not gonna know that's attached to the plate, and then boom, it's gonna spill on him, and he's not gonna know what happened to him. Do you want water?
Yes, I do.
Take it. Pull it.
Drink it.
Pull it.
What's going on? Booby trap! Booby trap! Booby trap! Booby trap! Thank you. Yeah, why is like this? Who did this? Who did that? I don't know.